West Coast, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV.
Hi dolls and gents, I am back with a wig install video for you guys on this gorgeous wig right here. I have been obsessed with this auburn reddish brown color, and I definitely had to try this out in a kinky curly wig. So that is what we have going on right here. I would like to thank Julia's Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. I definitely have plenty of videos planned for y'all for 2023. Let's go. Still cannot believe that it is 2023. Like, what? If you would like to see how I installed plus styled this wig today, then y'all know what to do. Stay tuned.
So my wig arrived in this bright orange box. It also came with these festive press-on nails as well as this goodie bag full of items to install my wig. So here is the wig. It is super pretty, y'all. This is a reddish brown color. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it's a kinky curly texture. It does have 2 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on my head and make sure that that lace is nice and situated on my hairline. Next, I'm gonna take my scissors in a zigzag motion, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut off that excess lace from my hairline as well as around my ear tabs. Now it's time to lay this wig. I'm using my Ibn Wonder Lace spray in the black can, and I'm spraying it across my entire hairline. And I'm gonna wait for this to get nice and tacky before I lay my wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my wig down. I'm gonna start off in the middle, then I'm gonna bring down both sides. If you wait to lay your lace, once the adhesive gets tacky, then it will be super easy for you to apply your wig because your lace is just going to stick straight to it. This step isn't necessary, but I do this when I want to make sure my lace is nice and secure on my head, especially when I'm going to do like an updo type style. So I just take my blow dryer on a cool setting and I make sure to tap the edges of the lace to make sure that it's laid as good as possible. Next, I'm going to pin up the wig's hair out the way so that I can go ahead and apply my elastic band. Y'all know that this step is essential for me to melt that lace into my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and boom, it's done, y'all. If y'all want a tutorial on this look, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this headband off and see what we're working with. Here is the hairline. It does look really nice. This is a transparent lace, y'all, so not HD, but it does have a nice lay to it. We're gonna do a middle parting today, so I'm just lining it up with the middle of my nose and making sure I can get it as straight as possible. Next, I'm going to take my water mixed with leave-in conditioner on the top of the hair just to make sure I can get that nice and laid. Then I'm going to take a little bit of mousse and apply it on top, and this is going to get that parting area flat. I normally use a flat iron or hot comb, but I am just going to do it with the mousse today. So I decided to go ahead and cut the hair because I wanted a more blunt cut so that the hair would look a lot more full. This is just my personal preference. You could leave the wig as is, but this is what I decided to do today. And once I cut the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 braids down the side of my hair on each side. I just wanted to do a different type of style, something kind of boho, and I love the way that this turned out with this hair color and this kinky curly texture. I think it's super cute, y'all. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side as well. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, but I don't think it's necessary on this colored hair. When you have the reddish brown hair, honestly, the knots aren't super dark like black or dark brown hair. So I'm just gonna go in the parting with a little bit of concealer just to clean it up a bit. And here is the final look, y'all. I really enjoyed installing and styling this wig from Julia Hair. This color is so bomb. The lace looks really great and it's super easy to install. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun recording it. I did go for a different length today because I always do long lengths, so I want to switch it up for you guys and do a shorter length wig. So if you have any styles that you would like to see me do a wig install on, let me know what you would like me to do next in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought about this color and the style that I chose to do today. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this wig from Julia's Hair, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys with any coupon codes that they provide me with. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye y'all. I just uploaded a new video 2 days ago, so be sure to check it out in case you missed it, y'all.